Did you know that companies with engaged employees are more likely to outperform those without by 202%? This is because engaged employees really adopt the vision, the values, and the purpose of their organization, making them passionate contributors, true problem solvers, and team players. If you would like to invest in your people, make them feel like an asset to the organization, why not organize a workshop and bring abundant energy? Teach them new concepts that can help them thrive both at home and at work. That is exactly what my 1- and 2-day workshop do, with topics like mindset, resilience, emotional intelligence, and doing activities that develop skills in leadership, communication, and behavior. People have walked away saying that it's life-changing, that it has really helped them improve their relationship at home and at work. So give me a call so we can design your perfect workshop and talk about your requirements.
I'd certainly recommend any business who hasn't really explored the efficiencies and the growth that can come with teaching your staff to train themselves to grow in this way should certainly think about what is in it for their business.